Hello! I have got an amazing fix for you today. You're going to love this way to fix the shoulder seams of anything. Here, look what I did first. I'm going to show you what this does. This is a snap on a braided loop that's going to go around your bra strap. Now this can do two things. It can hide your bra strap from showing so that you'll never see it. It can also keep the shoulders of your dress from falling off. Now, when people come to me and their shoulder seams are loose, I'll say, yeah, I can take that completely apart and fix it for you. But then there's this fix. Easy fix to keep these shoulder seams on your body. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's what you need. You need a good thread. This is a nice thick thread. It's also all cotton, doesn't matter. But this is a nice thick thread that's going to make a nice substantial braid. I've got it doing 4 layers on my needle with a knot. I got a needle, snap. You're going to need the tiniest snap you can find. In my Amazon thing, I'm going to use size quadruple 0 for a snap to put on here. So we've got snaps, thread, needle, scissors, and we're ready to get started. So first you have to decide where you want your loop to start and end. What I decided is I wanted my loop to be on the inside of this particular dress so that it won't fall off. Now, if that doesn't work, we'll have to put it on the outside. But I think that on the inside is where I want it. So I started at the center and I want to inch out. Now, if you have a dress that's a lot more narrow, you do not have a choice. Just start where no one will see and end where nobody will see. But I do suggest that you have about an inch loop on your braid. So we're going to start at the center over here of this seam. And I'm going to just eyeball it. You can measure if you want to. If you're a quilter, you can measure. But I'm just eyeballing it, starting in the center. And now we're going to make a daisy chain, which the lady behind the camera, Miss Leah, she says that this is called a daisy chain. So you're just crossing it. Okay, crossing it, pulling out the loop, and then getting that to go down like this. Using your thumbnail, just tighten it. And now you're just going to keep going. This is the daisy chain. And I think my daughter knits. She calls this casting on, maybe? Starting a chained loop that you can start sewing a project onto, maybe. Anyway, do it until you get about an inch. You don't have to be exact. I'm going to do one more. But if we want to measure, that is right at an inch. When I'm done with my inch, I'm going to go through my loop, pull the last one, and now that won't come out. Now I'm going to attach one side of my snap. And I'm going to attach the thin one, because you've got a bulky one, that's going to go on the bottom, and this thin one is going to be attached here. I'm just going to attach it like this. You don't need to do more than that. Now I'm going to go back through my braided loop. That looks good. I'm just going to go back through, pick up a loop every now and again. Just do this like 5 times. We don't want to tie a knot here. Knots can come undone. This can't come undone. You also might want to ask, why not do another braided loop back? We also don't want more bulk. But tying a knot here would leave threads here that will get in the way of the snap as well. And I've cut off enough of these of dresses that I've altered that this is how they did it. I think this is how they did it. I don't know. This just makes sense in my brain. And I think it'll work well. All right. I'm done going through. I'm going to come out here I'm trying to, don't want to go through all the layers here. Just go through that shoulder seam right there. Tie a knot. Since you have 4 here, you're not going to need a ton of knots right there, but I'm going to do one more just to make sure it doesn't come out. And now I'm going to hide my tail. All right, now we'll do the other snap. I don't want to use 4 threads to do my other snap because it's a little too bulky. I'm going to take one of these threads out, tie a knot, and get my other end of the snap in. There she is. All right, now, don't make the mistake I've made so many times. You think that that's going to go in this hole. No! You need to do it this side. This side's going to be up. That's the side that we need to put up. We want to do it exactly like the other one. So I am going to measure. It's about 5/8 inches from the outside of the dress. That's going to be the center right there. So I'm just going to I would like to point out other ladies that do videos have beautiful manicures. I'm so glad that they do that. I can't stand to have my nails manicured. Can't stand it. So there you go. You're going to have to deal with my nails au naturel, or granola, as my husband likes to say. Don't go through the other side of the dress. We're just going to sanity check that we're about 5/8 inches out. Yeah, and honestly, even if we weren't, we're close enough, right? No one's going to know if we didn't exactly match the other one, but we do want her bra to fit equally on each side. We want the sleeves to look good on each side. Why isn't my needle going through? I try to go through each opening of the snap so that I have threads going off of each side of the hole. Does that make sense? Like, here, let me show you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, and I don't know if it's important. You see how I've got threads going off of this way and that way? That's a good snap. The first time around I don't pay attention, but the second time around I try to go the other direction. I want to tie my knot here, but it's, you see what I did? I accidentally came out through the stitching, and that's not going to stay, so I'm just going to take another stitch right there. No. It's like an annoying dog that won't leave you alone. There we go. Now I'm going to tie a knot. Hide my thread. Hide my tail. Another dog reference. Yes, I have an annoying dog. And that should do it. Oh. Okay. That is going to save you a lot of time and effort of pulling your straps up if they're too loose. Thank you for watching my video on how to keep your shoulders up on a dress that is too loose up here. You don't have to have a sewing machine, just a needle and a thread, and you can do this quick fix. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep a lookout. I'm going to have some live sewing lessons soon.